All right, so time to get the mains up. These are going to be a little mixed up out of order. Some of them I paired up together just to save space and time here and getting the videos up and posted. So first up will be the Stadium Truck B main. That was mine. There were only 3 of us in it. Unfortunately, as I've said before, sometimes somebody's got to finish last. So overall, very happy with the way the truck ran today. This is the first time this truck has actually been raced. I only had a few practice laps with it Wednesday night up at St. Charles. I had tried to run it before, but ran into a problem with the ESC. I understand what that problem, or at least what the symptom is. I don't know what the cause of the problem with the ESC is. Number 2, I really like how this truck drives here. Maybe on carpet in general, but since I've only driven it here, I only have the perception of it on this carpet. That may be part of my problem with my buggies, is that I'm used to seeing how they run on black carpet and seeing them here and realizing how slow I'm off. I don't know quite how to fix that. At least with Stadium Truck, I realize there's potential to get better with practice and time on it, even just with practice on it. So next time down, we may drop one of the buggy classes and just run a Stadium Truck, and we'll decide then in February. But for now, this will be about 2.5 minutes, give or take, of the B main, and then about 2 minutes of the A main for Stadium Truck.
Just past halfway, 2:50 to go. Again, between second and third is 5.04 seconds. Again, between first and second is 3.7. Here comes first one is right to Schmidt. Randy Wells. So Randy Wells is extra as well. Yeah, between first second, 2.3. Last time, Billy Martin back 8.6. On your front lap, we're going to need a major malfunction from one of these drivers. Here they come. Race to the line, race to the line. And Fisher. We're going to be P9 today. Ray Wells will be P10. Here comes Billy Kelly. The journeyman, Billy Kelly.
All drivers are
Thank you. If anybody doesn't know, this dude right here, Billy Kelly, on stage travels to race our cars more than anybody. Watch your positions and not the race. 13-5 truck, 8 main. State championship hardware on the line. Everybody, please wreck jammer on the tone. Oh, tough luck there for Ringer. Caution backstretch, caution backstretch. Ugly start on backstretch. All right, your leaders moving all the way over here. Jammer out front in front of JJ Truex, followed by Christy, Snyder, Heidi, Stig, Wells, Wall, Ringer, and DeMont rounding out your field. Your leader. Yellow truck back all their front stretch. Caution backstretch, caution backstretch, caution backstretch. All right, Jamie looking to put some space between him and JJ Truex. JJ now getting challenged by Alan Christie. Alan Christie with Talon Snyder in tow. Here they come now. Second, third, and fourth, working away around the cowbell. Off the stair steps, on to the front stretch. Caution backstretch, caution backstretch. Low backstretch, you're clear. Caution at the loop, caution at the loop. All right. Closest bound on the track right now is for second position. Working his way out onto the front stretch. Orange truck second, blue truck third of Alan Pearson. Talon Snyder running fourth, Heidi running fifth. Wells running sixth. Ringer now, just going down a lap to leader. Ringer running seventh, trying to make his way back up through the pack here. Caution backstretch, 140 in, 520 to go. Caution at the wall ride, you're clear. Farrell walking away with it through the chicane, down the backstretch. Truex 3.5 back, still in touch. It's early, 5 minutes to go. Ryder and Josh Heidi battling for position right here in front of the loop, in front of the driver coming to scoring stand, excuse me. Down the backstretch they go. That is for a fourth position. Or fifth position, excuse me. All right, your leader looking to come up and put fourth and fifth down the lap. Lots of chaos at the cowbell. JJ had to get marshaled. Alan Christie got by. Looks like Talon might have got by as well. So JJ dropped a couple positions. Talon now up to a podium position now in truck. Farrell first, Christie second, Snyder third, Truex, Heidi top 5, DeMont, Ringer, Wall, Wells, Stig. Caution at the bell. Oh no, Christie drops back another position there. So now we got Talon Snyder up to second. Talon, purple, gray, pink on the nose, working his way out of the wall ride, up around the cowbell. Leader's got about a half track lead on him. 9.3 second lead for Farrell. Farrell saving on the backstretch there. Your leader up around the cowbell, off of the platforms. Talon Snyder goes by, 9.4 back, Truex.